check the oil level. It sounded to me like timing chains.
Yeah.
But I want to eliminate anything else. And then I'd say let's drop the serpentine belt off of it.
Okay.
So that we don't have any, like any other bearing noises up there. Let's let it sit for a while, and let's restart it. I'm going to call the guy and ask him if he's talking about that rattling when you first started up. But and then go ahead and get your parts ordered for everything else that he's got on the ticket.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep. Off the bat, it's right in the middle. Everything up top's looking good, but we do have oil residue around here. We'll probably be able to see that more down at the bottom. Whoa! It's got some oil leaks. This guy got cats replaced recently. These are some Weldon cats. You can see just the welds, but cat heat shields aren't rattling. I kind of wanted to say the shield, but I think it's coming from inside. I think this cat failed again. Yeah, it sounds like it came apart a bit. I would say you should pull this O2 sensor and then bore scope it and see if we can see any of the honeycomb that's broken apart. Or I'll disconnect it from there and do a backwards bore scope as well. That, if we do it from there, we'll definitely find some stuff. So I'm gonna start it up and I'm gonna do a few revs and see if down low the camera can hear any of the rattling noise inside of that catalytic converter on that passenger side. Oh yeah. Okay, shut it off. Yeah, I hear it all in here. There's probably nothing left. That cat's really prominent with all that noise. So we're just gonna bore scope it to verify. We'll start with that, place the cat, and then we'll retest. I'm just seeing if it's hot enough that it's just gonna shut down the camera, or if I'll have to wait a minute. Because the cat material is the part that gets hot. So I'd want to go in through the back. Oh no. It's not broken on this side. We don't have any broken material that you can see. All that comb is filled with something. Now I want to go in the middle of the cat. So we're going to take off the O2 sensor in the center of the cat, and then we're going to see if anything's broken left or right. Oh, nice. I didn't see anything in the middle. It seems like it was enclosed, the cat material. So I'm gonna go up one more and see if we can see anything. I still don't see anything really. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I was thinking that the cat was broken, but if you watch the bottom, the cat material is just jiggling around in there. Oh, now we're to the secondary hole. So the entire little piece of cat material, or I don't even think this had enough cat material in it to begin with. So we were halfway in the cat. This might have been a fake cat.
It's empty.
It's empty. There's nothing in it. So what I'm saying with the borescope, and just by jiggling